Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amy and I make videos about our allotment and gardening and food, like recipes and also days out. We are on the allotment again today, and we've got some, let's see if I can show you these. In fact, I'm going to turn the camera around. So we've got these pea seeds that Mum has been soaking on like a kitchen roll so that they sprout, and then the ones that are sprouted, so that one hasn't sprouted so that won't go in. The ones that are sprouted, like this one, we're going to put them in the ground today, and hopefully it just gives them a little bit of a head start. And then we've also got these ones that we planted as, you know, normal seeds, but we've got to harden these ones off because they've been grown indoors. Probably harden them off for a week or so before planting them out. So we've also got some new shelves to go in the polytunnel. These are from Argos. You get a pack of 2 and they were £25, so we need to put them together at some point. I just want to show you these as well. Got these pots from, these are just from Poundland, so they were just £1 each, and they come in, you can either get them in this dark grey, a light grey, or the terracotta, but I thought they'd be really good for some of our flowers in there, and also tomatoes can go in there as well. So I just thought I'd share that with you from Poundland. So I was quite eager to come in and see how all of this is done, because it was really cold overnight, and although it should have been all right in here, I was still a bit worried. Most of it looks all right. I think some of the melons not, but then that might not be the cold, that might just be where I repotted them. So yeah, everything else looks okay, and I think I have an echinacea. Oh, there's a few in there actually. Oh, that's pleased me. But yeah, everything else looks okay, luckily. So we've also got this sort of plasticky benchy thing to store our pots and stuff in. So we're just going to try and put that together. So there we go. That's, oh, we're tripping over some stuff. I'm just going to put all our pots in there so that they all stay dry and we know where they all are. So in this bed here we've got broad beans under there, and then we've got a section here where the broad bean seeds we think got eaten because none of them took, so, and there were little holes in the ground. So we are going to put the peas that we've already started to grow in there once they've hardened off a bit, and then the seeds that we've got, we're going to put them in this bed here, and then once they start growing up we will net it off to stop the rabbits from eating them, although hopefully the fence should all be finished soon, so then the rabbits won't be able to get in, hopefully.
Hey, won't you come along with me? I hear your neighbors, dogs is barking. Soon the country all around me come to look the same. There's a place from where they came. Bring out your goods and your chattels and all the treasures that can travel. I'll fix the wheel and all the axles. See another day. We're leaving come what may. Anymore for anymore. Hear the angels cry, but it's not his to sell to me, and it's not mine to buy. Hey, won't you come along?
Right, these are our 2 teepee type things, and now we're just going to put the seeds all around the bottom, and then if they need any more string once they start growing, then we can add it in. But that's the start of it, really.
There's a place from whence I came, anymore for anymore. Hear the angels say.
So I'm back in the car. It's really, really cold out there today. So we're going to put off planting out some of the bits we were going to plant out. Probably leave it to tomorrow when hopefully it's a little bit warmer. So just a little vlog today. Yeah, so see you all next time. Bye.